once I got in the water and I started welding, it was just the heart rate came down, the breathing rate came down, and I was just yeah, almost like a utopia. I was in awe. It's the most incredible thing I've ever seen in my life. I've welded all sorts of different things and different processes, but welding underwater in the wet is by far the most wonderful thing I've ever done. It's just a bit surreal. Actually, at first you couldn't see anything until you got comfortable and you got in the right position. And then when you got in that right position, because it's underwater and all the gas and the bubbles are going up and the smoke, you can see everything. You can see the weld pool, the material melting, the spatter coming off. I've seen things underwater that I've never seen on the surface. So that's the thing with wet welding. There's only a certain amount of things that you can do. And you're trying to create a high quality weld in very harsh conditions. Okay, you've got all the water, so you've got rapid cooling, which affects the mechanical properties. You've got water, which is hydrogen, and that's detrimental to the weld. So your equipment, it needs to be good, your cables need to be perfect. Basically, you're only as good as your weakest link, and you need to try to perfect every part of the system in order to perform a high quality weld. Doing the impossible, yeah, maybe that's why I like it so much.